Hi, welcome to today's tutorial from the Merry Uke. Today we're going to learn the song Perhaps Love by John Denver. Beautiful song and really great beginner song for singing and playing on the ukulele because the way I like to play it, you can just strum one time for each chord. You can use your thumb or you can go like this. But either way, you don't have to worry about strumming, I think, for this song. Because the chords to this song are pretty easy and it's just a lot of progression, let's learn the chords really quickly, and then I'm just going to play the whole song through and the chords are going to be on the screen, and just practice playing along because you just need to strum one time anyways. So look at the chord, find it, and strum it along, and I think that's probably the best way to learn this song. So the chords are C5, which is like regular C, but I like to put my finger down right next to the string right next to it for C5, A minor, which is one finger on the second fret on the top, A minor, and then oftentimes you're going from an A minor straight to an F, so you're going to put your pointer finger on the first fret on the second string from the bottom, so da 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 da, and then G, da. So it's off, like the verses are C5, da da, A minor, da F, da da da, G. The only other chord you need to learn is E minor, which is 1, 2, 3 stair steps. So first finger on the second fret of the bottom string, and then third fret, fourth fret. Da, 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 da. A lot of times though, you're gonna come from a G chord to that E minor, and so sometimes I just put my pinky finger down like this. So da, 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 da. Like there to keep you warm, and in those times, E minor, G, E minor, G. So just notice that. So we'll just play it through slowly, chords will be on the screen, and practice playing along. Perhaps love is like a resting place, a shelter from the storm. It exists to give you comfort, it's there to keep you warm. And in those times of trouble, when you are most alone, the memory of love will bring you home. Perhaps love is like a window, perhaps an open door. It invites you to come closer, it wants to show you more. And even if you lose yourself and don't know what to do, the memory of love will see you through. Oh, love to some is like a cloud, to some as strong as steel. For some a way of living, for some a way to feel. And some say love is holding on, and some say letting go. And some say love is everything, and some say they don't know. Perhaps love is like the ocean, full of conflict, full of pain. Like a fire when it's cold outside, or thunder when it rains. If I should live forever and all my dreams come true, my memories of love will be of you. And some say love is holding on, and some say letting go, and some say love is everything, and some say they don't know. Perhaps love is like the ocean, full of conflict, full of pain. Like a fire when it's cold outside, or thunder when it rains. If I should live forever and all my dreams come true, my memories of love will be of you. Hope that helped. Happy playing!